Hello guys, it's Peter from Vietnam. A few days before I have bought a camera Insta360x4 to make some interesting videos in YouTube, but I cannot make till now. That's a different matter, but I bought in Vietnam market this one. And I plan to buy additional gadgets like mic and that whole setup. Mic setup for the Insta360x4. So I went to the shop and I asked what I need to have that one. So they give on big budget and they asked this one you want, this one you want. So I think I can show you can see or not, I don't know correctly. So this is the setup. So Insta360 want to be here and the adapter for the mic and the receiver, and you will get the Wi-Fi connection like Bluetooth. We can connect our mic, so we can put anywhere in our body and we can use. So as usual everyone is using that like only. So it's a big list. So I thought why we want to go for that. Already we have the Bluetooth connection in the X4 itself. So we can buy a small cut and connect with the Bluetooth. Just check why you want to spend more money on the full setup. So today I brought a new mic setup for my Insta360x4. Now if you buy anything, in whatever you buy, they have a label here which you open, you must take video. So if the product have any damage or anything, we can replace it. If we no take video, the product is have damage, means they are not responsible for the damage thing. So the product is okay, or we can share them that this product have the issue. So if you can take, you can take it. Insta360x4 price in Vietnam is 15 million, so it converted to India is like 45,000 rupees. And I brought a DJI wireless mic, so its price in Vietnam is 1 million, so like in India 2,500 to 3,000 rupees, something that.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just step it up. Don't be scared. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.